Alan's not having a bar.
Hello, Alan.
Oh my God, I've never heard snoring like that.
I mean, that's not even real. That's absolute abuse.
Can you describe the snoring to Big Brother?
It's just like a train going through a zoo. It was like a...
Sounded a bit like a cross between somebody sawing wood and a deer in heat. There's a real nasal element to it too.
Geez, your name's mud around these parts. Your name is mud around these parts.
Thank you for keeping me awake all night last night.
Bad for me.
Yeah.
Hello, Daniel. How was your first night in the Big Brother house?
I had a great night's sleep, but I think it was well raised that we have a snorer in the house.
What was it?
Absolute abuse.
Do you think this has anything to do with your nose?
Yeah, it has everything to do with this massive nose.
Would you mind turning profile for Big Brother to look?
Anything for you? Yeah, it's pretty big, isn't it?
You could smoke in the rain.